In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google Business Profile address and transfer your Google Maps reviews. This process is quite straightforward, but it's important to follow each step carefully to ensure everything goes smoothly. First, you'll want to head over to business.google.com. This is the main portal where you'll manage your Google Business Profile. Once you're there, look to the upper right corner for the sign in option, click on it and you'll be prompted to log in using your Gmail account or any other email you use for your business. If you've logged in previously, you might be directed straight to your business page, which is quite convenient. In case you're not automatically taken to your business page, another quick trick is you can go to Google search and type in your business name or simply type my business. This should take you to your profile as well. Once on your business page, you'll see an edit profile icon on the left side. Go ahead and click on that to access your business information. Now under business information, you'll select location. This section is where all your location details are housed. Next to business location, you'll see an edit option. By clicking edit, you'll be able to update your business address. There's also an option to tick if you'd like your business address to be visible to customers. So make sure you decide what's best for your business visibility. After entering your new address, it's crucial to adjust the PIN on the map if necessary. This ensures your location is accurately displayed to potential customers. Once you're satisfied with the new address and PIN placement, click Save to update your information. It's important to note that Google may require you to verify your new address. This verification process usually involves sending a postcard with a verification code, which you'll need to enter in your profile. Keep an eye out for that to complete the process. In most cases, as long as you maintain the same business name, Google should transfer your reviews to the new location, ensuring you retain your track record of customer satisfaction. However, there are exceptions, especially if your business is highly location dependent like a hotel or a golf course. Reviews in such scenarios may not transfer. If you have any uncertainties about transferring reviews, I recommend reaching out to Google Support. They can provide more specific guidance based on your unique business circumstances. By following these steps, you can seamlessly update your business information and continue to engage with your customers.